Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I think it came. Okay, so let's see, the other day I was on Amazon, which no good story, or maybe all good stories start out with when I was on Amazon, I found. Wait, so I was on Amazon and I found the item that is in this package. And so basically I was looking for hair extensions just because I wanted to see like what Amazon would have. And I know my hair is really long already, but I wanted to see if they had any good halo extensions. And this one had like thousands of good reviews, but it was only $10. So it was actually like $9.99. Anyways, we are going to unbox it and see how exactly it works. Here we go. Okay. Let's see. It just came in the mail. Oh my gosh. Here it is. Okay, so this is the package that it came in. And I don't believe, okay, so these actually aren't real hair. It says that it is a synthetic one. So, but the review said that it was really good and it didn't act like shiny synthetic hair. Okay, so let's open this bad boy up. Okay. It's actually pretty heavy. So they didn't have dark brown available in the 18-inch, which is what I ordered, but I still wanted to order it. So this is it. Oh, it's in a hairnet. Hold on. Okay. So we are undoing the hairnet. Oh my gosh, it's like stuck. Okay. Wow. First impression, this actually feels like really good hair. Like it doesn't look like Barbie hair. If that makes sense. Because I know like sometimes you see the wigs and it's like, girl, that is totally a wig that you're wearing. It doesn't even match. Like the texture is off, but wow. This looks pretty good. I'm actually really impressed. Like I wish that you guys could feel it. You can kind of see the dimensions in there too. This is the balayage color. As always, I'll link everything down below so that you guys can try for yourself. It comes in like a lot of different colors. I want to say like 18 or something. Okay, so if you look at my hair color with this, I used to have extensions and they were kind of like this mixed color. Let me cut this off real quick. Okay, so just cut the tag off. This hair piece is for a halo hair piece, so you can see right here it has this little piece of like stretchy, kind of looks like fishing line, because it goes right underneath like your hair right here. We're gonna try it on. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for the mail all day for this. Okay, so it's supposed to go right here. Hold on, I'm gonna need some hair tools for this. We're back. We got this, a scrunchie, hairbrush. Oh, here it is. And this. Okay, so we are gonna try a different path because my hair is super thick. So I'm gonna already put like a good portion of it up. Kind of like where I think that it's gonna lay. Okay. Let's try this again. So we're going to put this about right there. And then it's a lot easier now to be able to like lift these pieces kind of like out that need to be out. Or actually I'm just making a bigger mess. Okay. Back to the plan B. I've just put this on. As you guys know or can see, I'm not like a super big beauty guru. Okay, but the extensions are now on. We're gonna take this down. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna brush. Oops. I gotta pull this. I think I pulled a little bit too much, so I gotta pull this out. There we go. It is very stretchy, so when you do brush it with a brush, I feel it like boing, boing, boing. I'm sure too that you could probably like pin these with a bobby pin just to make it like extra secure. Okay. They seem to be in there. Okay, you guys ready? Look at that. Va-va voom. Oh my gosh, can you guys see? I mean, obviously it's a little lighter, but what? Why do these $10 hair extensions look so good? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I would definitely suggest like taking some bobby pins and putting them in the back of your head. Just because it is like a little loose. However, for $10? What? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all the back. Can you guys see? It's super long in the back. Wow, okay. So 10 out of 10 would recommend these. Oh my gosh, I'm so impressed. Like, what? Okay, so basically Amazon is winning with these $10 hair extensions. Wow. Okay, so if you have been thinking about hair extensions, these are the way to go. If anything, just to see if you like it or not. These are the 18-inch ones. Like I said, I'll put everything down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I plan on doing more fun Amazon reviews just like these.